Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Today, we're diving deep into the art of front yard landscaping design, and let's learn how to design the perfect and beautiful house front yard landscape. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Your front yard is the first impression your home makes, and a well-designed space can significantly enhance its curb appeal and overall value. It's more than just planting a few flowers. It's about creating a cohesive and inviting environment. Let's start with the basics. Front yard landscaping design encompasses the planning and execution of outdoor spaces in the area between your house and the street. It's a holistic approach that considers everything from the architecture of your home to the surrounding environment. It's about creating a harmonious balance between hardscape elements like pathways and driveways and softscape features such as plants, trees, and ground cover. The goal is to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, increase its functionality, and create a welcoming atmosphere. Think of it as the stage setting for your home's performance. A well-designed front yard offers a multitude of benefits. Beyond the obvious aesthetic improvements, it can significantly boost your home's value. A thoughtfully landscaped yard creates a positive first impression for potential buyers, making your property stand out in a competitive market. Furthermore, it enhances the overall living experience. A beautiful front yard can provide a sense of tranquility and connection with nature. It can also create a welcoming space for gatherings with family and friends. Additionally, smart landscaping can even contribute to energy efficiency by providing shade and reducing heat gain in the summer. It's an investment that pays dividends in both tangible and intangible ways. How do you make a good design for front yard landscaping? Creating a successful front yard design requires careful planning and consideration. First, assess your existing landscape. What are its strengths and weaknesses? Consider the style of your home. Does it lean towards traditional, contemporary, or something else entirely? Your landscaping should complement the architecture. Next, think about functionality. How do you want to use the space? Do you need a walkway to the front door? Do you want a seating area? Consider the climate and soil conditions in your area. Choose plants that thrive in your environment. Finally, create a cohesive design by incorporating elements like color, texture, and scale. A well-executed design will tie everything together seamlessly. What are the best items for front yard landscaping design? The best items for your front yard will depend on your specific needs and preferences. However, some classic elements can be incorporated into almost any design. Trees provide shade, privacy, and visual interest. Shrubs add texture and structure. Flowers bring color and fragrance. Ground cover helps to prevent erosion and suppress weeds. Hardscape elements like pathways, patios, and retaining walls can add functionality and create focal points. Water features, such as fountains or small ponds, can add a touch of tranquility. Lighting is essential for safety and ambience, highlighting the beauty of your landscape at night. Remember, the key is to create a balanced mix of these elements. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best front yard landscaping design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Formal symmetry. Think manicured hedges, symmetrical flower beds, and a central pathway leading to the front door. This design evokes a sense of elegance and order. 2. Cottage garden charm. A mix of colorful flowers, climbing vines, and whimsical garden ornaments creates a charming and informal look. 3. Modern minimalist. Clean lines, geometric shapes, and a limited color palette define this style. Think drought-tolerant plants and sleek hardscape features. 4. Mediterranean oasis. Incorporate drought-tolerant plants, gravel pathways, and terracotta pots to create a Mediterranean-inspired landscape. 5. Desertscape drama. Embrace the beauty of arid climates with cacti, succulents, and other drought-tolerant plants. 6. Tropical paradise. Create a lush and vibrant landscape with palm trees, ferns, and other tropical plants. 7. Woodland retreat. Mimic the natural beauty of a forest with a mix of trees, shrubs, and ground cover. 8. Asian Zen garden. Create a peaceful and contemplative space with raked gravel, strategically placed rocks, and carefully pruned plants. 9. Edible landscape. Incorporate fruit trees, vegetable gardens, and herbs into your front yard design. 10. Wildlife habitat. Attract birds, butterflies, and other wildlife with native plants, bird feeders, and a water source. Creating a stunning front yard landscape is an investment in your home and your lifestyle. By carefully considering the elements we've discussed, you can transform your curb appeal and create a welcoming space that you'll enjoy for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor and landscaping ideas. Leave a comment below and let us know what your favorite front yard landscaping ideas are. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.